All right, independent client, Home Pro, lot 1. We'll start on this side. Molding. Okay. Our dishwasher opening. 24 and 8. Sink base is centered on the window. Okay. So for this cabinet, I put a bumper here so that this hardware is not going to damage the door. All right. All right. Microwave cabinet. And then our stove opening. Oops. About 30 and 3/16. Okay. And our refrigerator cabinet. Let me start down here. Here's my molding. All right, so for this corner, I used a 6-inch filler. There was only one on the job site, and this was this opening right here was 3 inches and a quarter. So I just put a scribe at the end of it, and it worked out pretty fine. All right, so for my refrigerator opening, this is acting as a spacer as well. I just put a piece of baseboard back there, and this is my temporal spacer, and then I glued my panel to the floor. So, and then the spacing for the island, this is 48 inches and then 42 inches. So, and 42. And then I use scribe as my corners. Okay. All right. Fireplace cabinet. So, one thing to notice about this cabinet is this is as far as I can adjust it towards the middle. I'm not sure if that's normal for full height cabinet doors, but just noting it in the video. All right, we'll go to this bathroom. Okay. Gonna have my plumbing. Okay. Go to the master bathroom. All right. Sweet. So there's my plumbing cutouts. All right. And then one thing to notice, I mean, I wrote it on the wall, but this, in the middle, this drywall bumps out a quarter. So I had to bump it out a quarter on each side to make the cabinet straight. And then I drilled the hardware. We're just missing 3 pull drawers. So